Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Nissan GT-R. Begin by lightly sketching the car's basic outline, paying close attention to its distinctive low and wide profile. Capture the aggressive stance and the sharp, angular body lines that define the GT-R. This initial step helps establish the correct proportions and placement for the main components, including the prominent wheel arches. Take your time to get these foundational shapes right. Next, let's refine the front and side details. Carefully draw the Nissan GT-R's signature grille and the sharp, angular headlights. Detail the aggressive front bumper and air intakes. Move to the side, outlining the sleek side skirts and the precise door lines. Don't forget the distinctive window shapes and the flowing roofline, which contribute significantly to the car's aerodynamic appearance. These elements bring the drawing to life. Now, let's tackle the wheels and the rear section. Accurately draw the large, intricate wheels, including the spokes and visible brake calipers. For the rear, emphasize the GT-R's iconic quad circular taillights and the aggressive rear diffuser with its exhaust tips. Finally, begin applying some basic shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Think about where light would hit and create shadows to enhance the car's three-dimensional form. For the final touches, go over all your lines, making them crisp and clean. Add subtle reflections on the bodywork to give it a realistic shine, especially on the windows and painted surfaces. Carefully erase any remaining construction lines to present a polished drawing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep sketching. Also, if you want your car to smell as good as this GT-R looks, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.